Calculations involving unit cell dimensions. From the unit cell dimensions, we can calculate the density of the unit cell. In general, density is equal to mass by volume. So, density of the unit cell will be equal to mass of the unit cell by volume of the unit cell. Now, let's see how to calculate the mass of the unit cell. Mass of the unit cell is the product of number of atoms present in that unit cell and mass of each atom present in it. Mass of an atom present in the unit cell can be calculated by dividing molar mass with Avogadro's number. So, mass of the unit cell will become equal to number of atoms present in that unit cell represented by the letter Z into molar mass by Avogadro's number. Molar mass will be represented using the letter capital M and Avogadro's number will be represented using the letter Na. We also know volume of the cube is equal to A cube. So, volume of the cubic unit cell will be equal to A cube. Now, substitute mass of the unit cell and the volume of the unit cell in the formula to calculate density. So, density of the unit cell will be equal to Zm by A cube into Na. We know Z is the number of atoms present in that unit cell. Capital M is the molar mass of the substance. Na is the Avogadro's number, which will be equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 and A cube. A will be the edge length. These points you have to remember to calculate the numericals related to density of the unit cell. We have learnt in a simple cubic unit cell, number of atoms present in it will be equal to 1. And from packing efficiency, we have learnt its edge length will be equal to twice the radius of the sphere. And in face-centered unit cell, number of atoms present will be equal to 4 and its edge length will be equal to 2 into square root of r. And in the body-centered cubic unit cell, number of atoms present will be equal to 2 and its edge length A will be equal to 4r by root 3. Let us work out a numerical related to density of the unit cell. Niobium crystallizes in body-centered cubic structure if density is equal to 8.55 gram per centimeter cube. Calculate atomic radius of niobium using its atomic mass 93 unified atomic mass unit. So, from the question, they have given the metal crystallizes in BCC cubic structure and they have given the value of its density and its molar mass. So, first step you will calculate its edge length A. We know density is equal to Zm by A cube into Na. So, A will be equal to Zm by D into Na whole to the power of 1 by 3. So, substitute the value of Z as 2 because we know number of atoms present in BCC is equal to 2. So, 2 into molar mass 93 divided by Avogadro's number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 into density that is 8.55. Upon simplifying, you will get the answer 3.306 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. Second step, you will calculate the atomic radius. We know the relationship between edge length and atomic radius for BCC. Atomic radius R will be equal to root 3 by 4 into A. We know the value of edge length A. So substitute the value of edge length A in this equation and get the answer. The answer will be equal to 14.32 nanometer. NCERT exercise question 1.11, 1.15, 1.21, 1.24, example question 1.3 and in-text question 1.18. All these questions are based on density of the unit cell. Try to solve these questions.